In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website for mobile devices using a website builder. Ensuring your website looks great on mobile devices is crucial in today's digital landscape, where more users are browsing the web on their smartphones than ever before. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your site is mobile friendly and ready to impress. First, open your website builder. Whether it's a platform you use regularly or a new one you're trying out, accessing it is as simple as logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project or site you would like to work on. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you haven't already. You'll often find tools and features along the top bar or a side panel, but we're focusing on the mobile optimization tools today. Now, to switch to mobile view, look for an icon that resembles a smartphone or a similar representation. This is usually found in the top toolbar of your editor. Clicking this icon will transition your view to what mobile users will experience when they visit your site. This perspective is essential because elements that look great on desktop might not translate well to a smaller screen. You'll immediately notice how your content stacks differently and might even spot areas that need adjustment. With the mobile view activated, it's time to specifically edit elements for mobile layout. Carefully assess how each component of your web page appears. Is your text easy to read? Are images properly sized and formatted? Check the spacing and alignment of these elements to ensure everything looks cohesive. Sometimes, simply adjusting a text box or resizing an image can make a significant difference. If there are issues with navigation or interactive elements, this is your chance to fix those. Tools within your builder often allow you to hide or show different elements exclusively on mobile, offering more flexibility to tailor content presentation. Once you've adjusted and modified the necessary parts of your site for the mobile view, it's crucial to save your changes. This might seem like an obvious step, but ensuring your work is not lost cannot be emphasized enough. Saving your progress frequently safeguards against unexpected power outages or system glitches. Look for the Save button, which is often clearly marked in your builder, and click to ensure all your updates are preserved. If your builder allows you to preview changes before going live, this can be a helpful final check. Previewing shows your site in action, helping you verify that everything appears and functions as intended. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless mobile experience for your visitors, enhancing both user satisfaction and engagement. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!